Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you a React library for displaying the tabular data. So if you have a table of data that you want to display inside your React.js application, so we have a specific package available inside React.js. So you can see on your screen, we are displaying some tabular data, which contains 3 columns and 3 rows of data. And it's kind of a data table. Uh, we have this kind of data displaying. So we also have sorting as well. You will see sorting controls. We can sort by ascending order by names. You can put all these things. So the name of the package is, if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, react dash data dash grid. This is actually the package here. It's a customizable component specifically designed for React.js applications. So this is actually the command here. I've already installed it, so almost 164,000 weekly downloads are there. So it's a pretty popular package. So now to get started, I will just show you a very basic example. So we just first of all need to import the package, and we also need to import the specific CSS file for this package. So it is located in the lib folder, which will be styles.css. And then we have this component DataGrid, which will be coming from React data dash grid. So in this way, you can import the package here. We imported the CSS file as well as the actual package. So now we need to have some data that we need to display. So we'll actually create an array of object. So here you specify what columns name, what data that you want to display. So you have an ID here, and you can have this property of sortable, which typically means that you want to sort this data using this column. So in this way, we can have an array of objects here where you can specify the column names by the key property. So we will have the name as well. So I will say sortable to true. And similarly, we will have the column names for age and country. So in this way, you can specify how many columns that you are specifying right here using this object. So in array of objects here, we have declared these columns, and now you can provide some data, some dummy data which you want to display. So this data can be coming from an API or database as well. So I'm just hard coding it. So we have these 3 rows of data right here. So we have 3 columns: ID, name, age, country, and we have provided some dummy data right here if you see. So now to display this data, it's very simple. So what we can do is that we can declare it globally. So I can shift this outside this functional component. So now in the JSX, now to display this data, first of all, we do need to declare some state variables, which will be keeping track of how many rows that you're displaying. So for this, we will be using the useState hook, and we'll be passing this initial rows variable that we have declared. So we are just passing it right here. And now to display this, it's very simple. We use the component DataGrid, which is available, and it actually takes the actual props, which is the actual column names that you want to display, and the actual rows of data, which will be located in the rows variable. So if you refresh and go to the browser, you will see the table will display right here. This is your data table widget, which is displaying the tabular data right here. We have 4 columns right here. You will see that this is ID, name, age, country, and we have 3 rows of data displaying. So in this way, you can display as many rows of data that you want to display. And then we also have sorting capabilities as well. So there is an attribute right here that you can pass if you want to specifically sort the data based on my specific column name. So what I will do, I will sort the names in the ascending order. So here we specify the key name, which is the name right here, name column, and we want to sort this data by the ascending order. So what it will do, it will basically alphabetically sort this data like this. We can even do this descending order as well. So you just need to change it for descending order. So now it will change for descending order. So if you want to specifically select, get the data which the user selects, you can bind these attributes: row getter setter, selected rows, on selected rows change. So you just need to specify the callback functions. So when you select a specific row of data, then it will display the actual row of data that you selected. So all the source code will be given in the description. So this was a complete example of showing a data table widget inside your React.js application using this specific library, which is React DataGrid. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video. And also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.